The ingredients are 500 grams of boiled pasta, 2 balls of mozzarella cheese, about 200 grams of cherry tomatoes, a good handful of fresh basil leaves, 1 red onion, some green pesto, and finally pepper and salt. First of all, I'm going to chop up the cherry tomatoes in half. Next, I'm going to chop up the basil leaves. Now, a good way to do it is to stack them like this and then roll them up lengthwise. And then I'm just going to chop it up. There we go. Now set it aside as well. So now we're going to chop up the mozzarella balls. In the store you can also buy these little balls of mozzarella, but these are way cheaper, so the taste is the same, so we just chose these. So we're going to first cut it in half like this. Then I'm going to cut it lengthwise twice like this. And then I'm just going to chop it up into cubes. There we go, and also set it aside. Finally, slice up the onion. I want them to be quite fine because I don't really like big chunks of onion. So I can already smell that this onion is quite pungent, so I decided to just use half of it. Now let's assemble. Alright, so I've put the pasta in a very large mixing bowl, and now I'm going to add all of the ingredients. First, the mozzarella cheese, the tomatoes, the onion, basil, and now I'm going to add the pesto. Now I'm going to start off with 2 teaspoons. This is actually completely to taste, so if you like more pesto, feel free to add more. And mix it all up. At this point, I'm also going to season with some salt and a bit of pepper. Mix it up again. You can also add some balsamic vinegar. I think I'm going to leave it like this. And there we go!